And then we're talking about this is for the integration problem. Integrate look at books this is for the Laplace transform, and the Laplace transform explanation. Laplace transform but the books circuit table or frequency to time domains are changing frequency in the time domain will this is for the Laplace transform problem. Laplace transform but the books and this is figure of the transmission line overview and their connection transmission line, all the equipment arrangement of the transmission line. The power transmission line to Kuwa Pongandi, too much physically yari, below PC doesn't as well as and this is for the calculation of transmission line constant. Transmission line much the gain the crochet books are this is a Smith chart for the matching as a transmission line. So Smith chart will be your transmission line in match look at books and this is the power line calculation problem. Power line is crochet books those are long transmission line. So long transmission line you get the Beta diagram, the circuit diagram, and the relay equation. Long transmission line the Beta diagram, circuit diagram, and this is for the time values of the money calculation. So money time value shara now reflection on the transmission line pro reflection this is also the model of the transmission line model and also their wave frequency characteristic and also amplification characteristic. Transmission line amplifier below loaded weight in the this is for the transformers reading. Transformer reading system and the equipment circuit diagram of the transformer. Transformer in it, but the reading blue equipment Palani, Joey Palamoni Pise. So do our calculation of the transformer, open circuit test, short circuit test. Transformer but the Yachin Twadari, open circuit test, short circuit test is Yao Matuya. This is the transformer regulation problem. Transformer regulation, Napata both are Matuya. This is the power transformer connection diagram and the relevant calculation. Power transformer is set the this I approach the books are today. So are the power transformer calculation and the power transformer efficiency. Power transformer approach the books and the efficiency. This is the very operation of the single wave transformer. Single wave of transformer you apply set the books are and then also those are the renewable energy. Solar design when the solar so renewable energies are energy efficient are built in the science principle. Solar net but the energy was swine P out from it, South this is for the how heat transfer in the building, use of the materials to calculate the heat transfer into the building. Basically, I told you this is for the heat transfer calculation for the and the selection of the different material through the roof. Or the more Piatiloma, Apu Brown, Piano, this is the heat transfer to the books.